Good morning from I wish I was saying from the very, very sunny Spain, but it's a little bit overcast and it was hailing a minute ago, but we are going to be driving, I don't know which way, but we're going to be driving so it's a little bit warmer. Yeah, just have a ride out. So I didn't really explain yesterday. When I was editing the video, I was like, actually, this is just like a bit all over the place. It was just a bit of a mad rush. And so yeah, I was going to explain what it's all about. So basically Shimano have invited myself and a couple of other cyclists. So you saw Robbie Ferry, who does like endurance riding, and also Chris Hall, who does like time trialing and endurance riding and gravel riding, and myself, and there's some other people from other countries as well here, and we're just basically here to try out some of the Shimano clothing they have and just go and ride bikes and have fun in Spain. So that is pretty much what we're doing. And yeah, it is so nice to come away for the weekend. Do you know what, even though the weather is not ideal, it's just fun to come and ride somewhere new and just meet all these other people. So yeah, I'm just getting ready now. We're heading off in about 15-20 minutes. So yeah, I'm just getting ready.
Try it again?
Yeah, please.
No stress. I have my ball jacket to keep it warm.
So we just did a little bit of a photo shoot. I'm just being really careful walking down these stairs in Cleats. Just a bit of a photo shoot with some of the kit, and now we're going to head off. It is raining. Look how beautiful this place is. It is stunning. Come on, Robbie. Awkward, introduce yourself, Rob.
Okay.
To my followers.
My name's Robbie Ferry.
I ride my bike a
I
long
like
way.
riding bikes lots for long distances and sleeping in hedges.
So
I do this a lot, you might notice.
You do that a lot. Chris, you want to say it once for all, one more time, just for my viewers? Chris gets really irritated by that. Where'd you get your strap from?
This.
Where is the strap?
It's from Jimmy. If you don't know who Jimmy is, look up Jimmy. Just search Jimmy
Strap.
on all
Jimmy
forms of
Strap.
social media.
But maybe you should produce them when you get asked that
like-
much.
Because then we can come to the Jimmy Strap ambassador camp.
I've
Let's do that.
sounds so wrong.
It does.
The Jimmy Strap Ambassador Camp.
Yeah.
It's where
Fun
you
times.
it's where you get your little clippy strap on.
So cyclists you've got to watch out for is Naz. He's a bit of a nightmare, bless him. Isn't that right, Naz? No? You're trouble, aren't you? Yeah. See hello.
That's what happens when there's loads of people on Instagram and YouTube. We're just all tagging. I had to get my camera to get you, Chris.
You know what I mean? Like that.
To get my camera to get you. How do you feel in your nice little rug?
This is the new Aspire range.
Yeah.
Aspire.
Give us a spin. Woo woo! Everyone's in it. Look, we're all in like blankets.
No, only us that are the real hard men are in blankets.
Yeah, the tough men.
Yeah.
Tough men in blankets.
I know. Naz, I feel like you should be smoke signals and stuff for me.
Please just ride in this blanket. Can you hop on your bike in this blanket?
Yeah, Superman style. Thanks, man.
Oh, look at these.
I've actually got two if anyone wants one.
I'm happy here.
This is make yours low.
Any way we can stay warm, Naz.
Nice warm up.
It is a nice little warm up. Where's the climb? Is that it? Maybe.
It's one of them. I reckon it's that one.
The one with the white snow.
That's the white road. New type of tarmac.
Just snow.
It's called Slip. Is this like a
Film and film.
vlogception?
Yes. I reckon. Look at that view. We've got good views.
Stunning.
It's been so long since you was running, always running with me. Now you never come along.
That's the last we'll see them until we get to the top. That view. Yeah, we've got 10k climb and a nice 10k descent. But I'm in shorts now at least. Whoop whoop, legs out. It's warmed up. 6 degrees. So can you see in the car? They're filming and taking pictures of us. Obviously with Shimano, they're not just randoms, that'd be weird. It's almost -1 and it's pretty cold. And I'm in shorts. Why? Oh why? It's snowing! I don't know whether it's snowing or I don't know whether it's just coming off the trees, but it is spectacular. At the top, 1700 metres. Why have I still got my helmet on? Sorry.
You're still with the helmet.
Just in case.
Just in case. This is a good one here.
I think I'm in. Yay! Yay!
Yeah.
So we got to the top and it is cold and I'm in shorts as you saw. I was going to get my leg warmers on but we're in a bit of a rush to get to the cafe. So all the others have gone and well there's a few of us in the car. So the others have gone. I'm just going to race to get to the cafe and then we're just going to have a little leisurely sit back, enjoy the view. And it is chilly. It was, I think it got to about -1. Boy, it's so stunning. Look at that view. Dirty window, but we're still out there. Hey! We're all getting in now because we got to go and get lunch. Now we get some food. The sun has come out. We're in the car. I'm like, oh, this is the nicest part of the day. The sun's come out. But yeah, we just had to get here for the timing. And oh, Robbie's here now. It's nice. How was the ride?
Amazing. It's like heaven. It's crazy.
Because you were tailing them all the way back. You were just on the back.
I hadn't eaten or drunk the whole time, so I was like, I sat there and I was like, getting a little bit tender now. And then to the end, everyone's like, we're nearly there.
Yeah.
And I'm like, no, we're not.
No. Sit on the wheel. Sit on the wheel. Right, we'll get some food. Good morning. Good morning. Today is another day. Obviously, because it's the morning. So I'm gonna just like pair the second and third day together because today I go home and. Yeah, I fly back, but not until later on tonight. So hopefully we're going to get a ride in this morning just for a couple of hours. It's a little bit drizzly, so it's not like, again, it's not snowing. Let's put it that way. It's not snowing. So we probably are going to get out on the bike for a little bit this morning.
Change your life.
Yeah, like I'm sold.
Is this the jacket?
Yeah,
Show us.
Oh yeah, I'll show you.
Come on, Robbie, show us the jacket.
Okay, so
Everyone's so excited about this.
I am like so. Just say you're. Oh yeah. Let's do this. So, okay, I'm gonna sell you this jacket.
Go on.
Okay, so. Okay, let me get back to normal.
Set the scene. You're out. You're out on a climb.
Set the scene. Set the scene. Yeah.
In a nutshell.
Set the scene. You're on a race. Yeah, it's the last 10k. You're in the front. You're breaking away, and then you realise you're not aerodynamic enough. So what you do is you open the pockets at the side, then you pull the find the cords, you pull them tighter, become more aerodynamic, and then you tighten it all back up again. I know, and now you're winning that race. That's the difference. That's a marginal gain.
You should work for QVC.
I know. So how many do you want? Price drop. No, I'm joking.
I love Price Drop TV. Is that even still a thing?
No, I think it died years ago.
Oh.
Check you
I
out.
like this one better then.
Killer lid, man. Yes, it is.
Let's go.
Killer boots, man.
Oh man,
So
killer
all
boots.
I'm gonna get is Dumb and Dumber phrases out today.
I've never seen it. Never seen Dumb and Dumber. Bye. I've never seen it. No.
So all those great references I just used then. Killer boots,
Hang on.
man. mean
Hang on. There is a snake in my boot. You don't even know what the film is from.
No.
What film is that from, people? There is a snake in my boot. They will know. They will know.
They'll know.
Pictures.
You listen so good for what you want from me. Why don't you come over here, no, right here with me? Never mind, I guess I'll follow.
So now we're at the top of the first climb and then we're deciding whether we're going to carry on, which we are. Hey.
I try to make your seriousness look less serious.
I know. Why so serious? So yeah, we're gonna head up for another half an hour, I reckon. Beautiful weather.
If not, you have to pull me.
English weather.
Exactly, English weather. Exactly.
I'm used to it. Pretty cool.
It was so cold. This is this huge descent. Well, not that huge, but it was cold.
It
Absolutely.
was a really fast descent there.
It was, yeah. It was a really nice descent actually, but just, I don't know if you can tell from my face, but I am soaked.
Yeah.
Absolutely drenched. We're at the top of the second climb and we're in the van again because it is so cold.
Like, it's so soaked.
Yeah, we are wet through.
Oh
God.
Sit in the shower for like
Yeah, just sit in the shower and just get nice and toasty.
And lay down in the bathroom.
yeah.
On the floor.
On the floor, yeah.
There's a heated
Yes,
tiles in the bathroom. It's so nice when your feet are cold. Oh.
Holy shit.
Farewell!
You're gonna go in the van, right?
Oh yeah, you're in the van. Farewell! Lovely to meet you.
Lovely to meet
and I'll
you.
see you maybe again soon. Who knows?
Probably next year in
Yes.
April in sunny Spain.
In beautiful weather. Yeah, exactly. Right. Let's go. Have a safe flight.
This is the hardest
So
one.
sad.
I don't. No, yeah, I know. Come on, let's run away together, me and you.
So, that is it for the trip. We are heading to the airport now. Oh, Robbie's crying, he doesn't want to go. So yeah, we're heading off. Back to the airport and... Bye! Bye! You're coming, aren't you? Yeah. So yeah, we're going to head back to the airport and in fact I'm going to come out where it's a little bit quieter. It's been a really fun trip and yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the snow and rain as much as we have, and yeah, I guess that's it. You don't really need to see me go back on the plane because that's not very exciting. So, oh, bye, Chris. Oh, actually, you're coming as well, aren't you? Just said bye to Ben. I'm like, we're going in the same car.
I just punched him in his jacket.
In his jacket.
He's got a punching jacket on. Look.
Do 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 do.
It's a six-pack.
Yeah.
Y'all ready?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Right, let's do it.
Let's go. And the thing is now it's dry and sunny.
Yep. But
Perfect weather to get home on.
no, there's nothing. Weather's irrelevant. It's people and places. That's all that matters.
It's true. Bye.
Bye.
Goodbyes. Bye. See you later, Chris. Camera in your face. Camera in your face.
What you
camera,
say?
camera in your face.
That better be in the edit.